There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Chrysler 300 Touring in ceramic gray. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power multifunctional mirrors, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, heated second row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6396.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.